11 Front Yard Decorating and Landscaping Mistakes to Avoid. Maybe you have a knack for finding valuable stuff at estate or garage sales and then flipping it for a nice profit. Good for you. But when you start posting yard sale signs in your neighborhood and hauling out the same old items weekend after weekend or more often, you're operating a business out of your house. Your neighbors might not appreciate the early morning traffic and occasional riff-raff that garage sales can attract. We've all seen it, the house in the neighborhood that leaves its Christmas lights up through February, or beyond. Don't be that house. That big, plastic red and yellow playset and castle your sister-in-law gave you as a hand-me-down is a hit with your kids. Even neighborhood children can be found on the slide when you're not home. Ahoy, matey, you've worked hard for years and can afford a nice big boat. If you have a large property, you can keep that boat, trailer, or RV garaged or in the rear or side yard. But if that recreational vehicle sits on your lawn or in the driveway most of the time, it's not adding to your home or neighborhood's curb appeal. There are some things that need to stay in a backyard, where it's private. Outdoor hot tubs and showers are luxuries that provide owners with the potential for hours of therapy, relaxation, and intimacy. Even if you wear a swimsuit, you should not want, nor do your neighbors desire to see you entering and exiting the hot tub. Find another place to put the spa. Nothing says cozy like a well-designed front porch with a settee, maybe a rocking chair, some side tables, and potted plants. For centuries, it's been a great place to sit and watch the world go by. If a front yard is neat and maintained, all's well, right? Well, it could be better. Depending on what's happening with the landscaping in a yard, a property's and neighborhood's value can be affected. A rug hanging over the railing of the front balcony. A clothesline that stretches from the edge of the front column to the side fence. The wetsuit that hangs near the entrance or garage, letting everyone around know that you have the free time to snorkel or surf. Whether these characters are there for fun or because you truly love them, just think of the collection you can amass, without danger of theft, when they can happily congregate in your backyard. That way, you can enjoy the costume-wearing geese, flamingos, naughty gnomes, and peeing boy pond statues in private, just you and them. Ever since you took that trip to Hawaii, you've been trying to recreate a tropical paradise in your own front and backyards. The trouble is, you live in a climate that experiences 4 seasons, and those tropical and subtropical plants you ordered aren't surviving. And the ones that are, don't look too healthy. There's a reason that some plants thrive in their native habitats. The weather, soil, and environment cooperate, and everything that grows there pretty much flourishes. Choose native plants for your region and they'll grow happily. The intent is friendly and innocent, to share books with neighbors and passers-by. Some cities and areas encourage it, and you'll see little weatherproof shelters at the edge of a property that houses books and magazines to borrow or take. There you are, enjoying grilled salmon, field greens, and corn on the cob with a glass of wine al fresco. Living the dream, outdoors. What could ruin this image? Cars driving past, their owners coming home from work, maybe the pizza delivery person? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.